The first thing you want to do is go to the Kentucky Virtual Library, and in the search box you are going to type in honeybees and hit. Our results are 2,058 articles for the honeybee. That's a lot of articles to have to go through. So today we're going to learn how to use research tips to narrow down the information and find exactly what we need. The first thing we need to do is always look for the publication date. You want to use articles that are less than 5 years old, as articles older than 5 tend to be out of date, and you want the most recent information available to you. Our second tip is you want to look at your source types. What are we looking for? I have all results checked because I like to see what all is out there. We have 1,772 academic journals, 133 magazines, 65 reviews about the honeybee, 43 newspapers related to the honeybee, and 39 trade publications. I'm going to stay with magazines, and we're going to scroll up, and we're going to learn about a funny little word called boolean, or phrase. These key phrases help us narrow down exactly what we're looking for. We have honeybees here, so we're going to type in colony collapse disorder, since we've been studying that in class. Okay, so it automatically comes up with two things that it thinks we may want. Do we want the colony collapse disorder of honeybees or colony stimulating factors? So right now, for this case, we want colony collapse disorder of the honeybee. So I'm going to click on it, and it automatically puts it right here. And you'll notice there's a drop down arrow button right here. If we were to click on that, we have an option to include and honeybees and the colony collapse disorder of the honeybees. That'll bring up honeybees and colony collapse disorder articles. If we put in or there, it would give us the option of having articles about honeybees or the colony collapse disorder. And if you chose not, it would just be honeybees and not colony collapse disorder. For this, I want to keep everything and. So we've got it highlighted here, or in the box, not highlighted, excuse me. We're going to go over here and click our search button. Okay, I seem to have made a mistake. If a mistake happens as you're researching, you want to look and see what we found. We've got and, but if we look over here, I have just selected author, and I didn't put anything in the box, so let's put that as select field and hit search once more. Now we're back to our information that we may need. We have 54 articles about honeybees and colony collapse disorder of the honeybee. So we have bee becoming experts, the controversies over insecticides in the honeybee colony collapse, pathogen webs in collapsing honeybee colonies, articles about threats of the honeybee, the parasitic fly, and you can just scroll down there and see what articles are available. Here's one on exactly colony collapse disorder. One more tip you want to look for is it has a full text, so it's going to come to you. So let's just click on colony collapse disorder and see what it gives us. It's a PDF file. So we scroll and it's an incomplete puzzle. there is a beekeeper who is studying bees for any type of disease that may be happening to them. We have another beekeeper, Jay Evans. He's looking at the honeycomb for bees, any signs of mites that could be in the hive. And there's two more beekeepers. They're looking for spores that could be causing the colony collapse. And those are bees inside the hive. And you see over here is even some. It has this pesticide, a cause for the colony collapse disorder. Okay, if you think this is what you need, you could print it out or just use the information there. If you are a hands-on learner, you may want to print it out. But if you find this is an article that you don't quite want to use, just use your back arrow key. Okay, we're back to our home page, and I'm going to allow you all to scroll down and look for more information. Just be sure to follow the tips that we went over in class. Always look at your publication date. You want 5 years old and younger. Look for your source types. If you want academic journals, magazines, trade publications, newspapers, or reviews, you just click there, and remember the numbers in parentheses. It tells you how many articles you have, how many magazines you have, and you want to always use your Boolean phrases. In this case, we have honeybees and colony collapse disorder, which gives us articles about those two things. Had we changed it to or, it would have gave us articles on honeybees or the colony collapse disorder. And had we chosen not, it would have gave us just honeybees and not colony collapse disorder. So students, have some fun working on your project, and if you need anything, raise your hand and I'll come to you and help you. Good luck, okay?